Namaste, this is Riddhi, and in this video we are going to see about Split Plot Excel tool. So we will move forward to our Excel tool. Here is our sample file. So this is a Split Plot Excel tool with 4 level in main plot factor, 5 level in subplot factor and 3 replication. Best part about this Excel tool is that it is dynamic in nature. Let's see, I am changing the value. The result got automatically changed. So the output will have an ANOVA table and their sources are replication, main plot factor, error A, subplot, interaction, error B and total. And it will also have degrees of freedom, sum of square, mean square, F value, P value and result and so on. So this result is based on alpha value, that is 5%. If you want result at 1%, just change the value here from 0.5 to 0.01%. And you can see the result got changed. Currently I am keeping 0.05%. Then it also giving me the table value for F value at 5%, F value at 1%. And result for both 5% and 1%. Also it is giving me the coefficient of variance for main plot and subplot. And it's also giving me the standard error of mean, standard error of difference, critical difference at 5%, critical difference at 1% and for main plot, subplot and interaction. Apart from this, it is giving me the mean table for main plot, subplot and interaction. Also it is giving me the thesis format table. The best part is that I change the data or I replace my data and this format get automatically updated. Now let's see how to get this in an AgriAnalyze platform. And it has also options for transformation like square root transformation, arcsine transformation and log transformation is also available. Now let's jump to our website. This is the website of AgriAnalyze. In that, now to get split plot design, go to Excel tool, select design of experiment and in that select split plot Excel tool. Here I want Excel sheet for 3 replication with main plot having level 4 and subplot having level 5. So I will write here 3 in replication, 4 in main plot factor, 5 in subplot factor. And here I want result at 5%, so I will write here 0.05. You can change this later in the sheet, but you cannot change the number of level for main plot factor, subplot factor and replication. Now here there are 4 options available in types of transformation. Select none if you don't want any types of transformation. Or otherwise you can select square root, log or arcsine for respective transformation. Now you need to pay some nominal charges over here and now click on checkout. Now click on download button to get the Excel tool. So this is the same Excel sheet that I have shown you earlier. Just delete your data over here and add your data and you are good to go with your analysis. Now let's see how to get Excel tool for square root transformation. Now let's go to our website. Select split plot design Excel tool. So I am keeping the parameter same as previous. So 3 in replication, 4 in main plot factor, 5 in subplot factor and alpha value will be 0.05. Here I am selecting square root. As soon as you select square root, it will ask for additional value. So here it is written 0.5 for square root of x plus 0.5 and 1 for square root of x plus 1. So let's say I want square root with addition of 0.5. You can change this value later in the sheet, so don't worry. Now you need to pay again some nominal charges and click on checkout. Now click on download and your Excel sheet is ready. So this is the Excel tool with square root transformation, and this is the button to on or off this square root transformation with additional value. So if you want only square root transformation, keep 0 over here, and if you want additional 0.5, change it to 1. You can see the data got changed. This is the row data. You can replace your original data here, and this is the transform data. So you can see over here that is currently x plus 0.5 square root transformation. That means, let's say for the sample value, here I am writing equal to sqrt into bracket, I am selecting C10 value plus 0.5 bracket close. Here you can see 4.37 and also here 4.37. The data are matching. So likewise, all the original value get transformed into square root of x plus 0.5. This is the same stuff that we have already seen. It will give you us the ANOVA table, then CV, SEM, SED, CD at 5% and 1%. Here is the one additional stuff in the mean table. So mean table for main plot give us the mean, standard deviation, standard error. For the mean is a transform mean. So this is two additional column are also given. So this is the retransformed mean and this is the original mean. So this is the additional stuff that I am getting. Also you can see this is the thesis format data representation of the result, and you can check it. So this is all about square root transformation Excel tool. You can also check out for log and arcsign transformation. So I hope you like this video and a tool. If you have any type of question or a query, feel free to reach out to us at contact@agrianalyze.com, or you can also WhatsApp us at 8866556564. Thank you for watching.